So today I have a couple of new Pop Funkos, and I love Pop Funkos. And I spent a little too much money on these because they're collector Pop Funkos. But I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing, which I thought of after I got this one. But they did not arrive on the same day. I hoped they would, but they did not. So first up is Remadora Lupin, which I think was a Hot Topic exclusive, maybe? I'm not sure, but he doesn't have a sticker. I got them both on eBay, which I guess I could have looked up the thing. But he is number 45, and he's part of, I think this is the latest round of Harry Potter. Yeah. I don't know, I have actually none of those. I have them all the characters, but not those particular ones. I was going to keep them in their boxes, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. But, anyway, I got Remus here. Because that's my new fascination, the whole Remadora Lupin and Remadora Tonks relationship. I know, I'm going to break the rules and open them. I always open them. You do you. Anyway, he's quite detailed actually, I think. He got a little wand, and you can see his coat, not his coat, his robes, and you can see he's got, you know, buttons and tie. Even the shoes have little laces. I don't know if you can see those. You kind of can. They even have the scars across his face, which I thought was good. Can you see those in the light? There you go. I need to get some kind of ring light, I guess. What they tell me anyway. Which I wish I had thought of before I bought the new tripod, because they all come attached to tripods, but whatever. I did just recently read that the reason Lupin has the scar across his eyebrow is because the actor really does. I thought that's pretty fitting. This is a pretty typical pop. I like the male pops better because they usually stand better. They need to rethink how they style some of the female ones, in my opinion. So, this is, as I told you, Remus. Alright, ignore the fact I haven't fixed my nail polish. Yeah, like I said, number 45. I got him off of eBay. I don't know if you can get him anywhere else. I think you can get him on Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid. Too much. Then, got a new one. I was really kind of shocked there for a moment. Because it came so well packed and everything, and they do not usually come that well packed. But again, we're not going to discuss how much I spent. But this one comes wrapped in a bubble wrap. The other ones do not. They usually don't. There's no real reason for them to. I mean, they're in boxes. But I guess for some people, they're collectors. They like the boxes. I'm a collector. I don't care about the boxes. Oh, she even comes in a protective plastic box. Let's see, this is, maybe this is the latest round of pops, I don't know. I don't really collect too many of the Harry Potter ones. I have all the golden trio and the silver trio, as some people call them, and that's about it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And the books and the movies. But I don't really collect too much actual Harry Potter stuff. Now, I am very debating here if I want to open this one. It's a 2020 Spring Convention Limited Edition exclusive. I believe it's meant to be for Emerald City Con. Is that what it's called? Emerald City Con? I don't know. I've never been. I believe it's in Seattle. It's too far for me. But, as you know, most cons did not happen this year. Okay, we open it. I had a couple of them come in these plastic boxes before, but I've never kept the plastic boxes. I guess I could. I don't, though. But, oh, she has her little wand, too. You can see her a little better now. Okay. Do we open her? Yeah, we do. I mean, I guess I could always slide them back in their boxes. But, I mean, I'm not going to resell them, so. Wow. She has a lot of detail. Let's see, does she come with, she does come with a little plastic stand. Most of the female ones do. The stands are pretty useless though, unless you like literally glue them to the doll. I really like the detail on her. She's got her wand there, and then you can see all the little, what are the rivets, I guess, on her, and buttons on her coat. You can see all that. I like that. Oh, she even has a tiny little pocket. And like Lupin, you can also see the shoelaces and even the little holes in her stockings. And of course, her purple hair, which is movie accurate, not book accurate. In the book, she has pink. To be honest, though, when I finally get my cosplay together, I'm probably gonna do purple because I think I would look better with purple hair than pink. But that's just me. All right, so. Oh, she even has tiny little gloves. My goodness, can you see those? They look like they're part of her sleeve, but they're really not. They're a little different. Cha-chong! Yes, this is what I do. I buy Pop Funkos. But really and truly, I'm not sorry about these. And I wanted this one, Remadora Tonks, for 2 reasons. One, because she goes with Lupin, and you need both of them. But also because in the cosplay panel I was in last week, they suggested always trying to get figures of the characters you want to cosplay, so you can study their outfit. Now, I don't really think a Funko Pop is the most accurate outfit you could look at, but it is actually pretty screen accurate, to be honest. Or at least for the first movie she's in, Order of the Phoenix. They kind of ruined her for the others, but whatever. Yes. Oh, she even has little earrings. Pretty cool. Yeah. Well, like most men, he's not that detailed. But there you are. I got Remus Lupin and Remadora Tonks, and they are both exclusives of some sort. And I probably should have kept them in their boxes, but I never do. The only one I ever did that with Newt, and that was because he was a Chase edition. And then the box got ruined, so I had to take him out anyway. So, I don't know. So I guess that means I'm going to do some rearranging of the Harry Potter stuff, but not today. I got to finish kitten proofing, but not today. So, alright, so let me know. Which one would you want to buy? Would you buy them both? Would you buy them neither? Which ones are you hoping they might turn into Pops? Are there any of you want to try to get a hold of? Personally, I really would like to get a hold of Burrow. That'd be really cool to get. No idea where to put it, but I'd really like to get a hold of it. So, what kind